So today we're doing a good hydrating facial, and if you could just tell us a little more about what it is and how it's going to help my skin, what's the procedure like?
So winter season has started and the skin is going colder. Lot of patients are coming back telling us that there is a lot of stretchiness on the skin, and in the morning when you came to me and when I felt your skin, I felt that somewhere the dryness is creeping onto your skin as well. At the same time, I'm observing that there is some amount of hypopigmentation, that means the dark patches developing following, I think, probably acne marks that you have, which as young girls, anybody and everyone can develop. So what I intend to do on you is something called as a deep cleansing hydrating facial. In this facial, what I will first do is I will do a good cleansing, exfoliating. Then there will be certain oxygen pods that will be introduced inside your skin just with the help of a machine. There will be no pricking, no needles involved in this. So just a very nice, relaxing treatment to get that glowing, rejuvenated you. And that's it. So just hydrating, glowing facial is what we intend to do on you. These facials are even done around the eyes, on the lips, so that many a times we do a good face treatment but we forget about the eyes. And in Indians, eyes are the most they form the highlight of the entire face, because most of the Indians have very dark periorbital region or the area around the eyes. So in this treatment we'll make sure that we work on that region as well. So we will be working on rejuvenating the periorbital or the area around the eyes. This will help in not only giving a good glow to your skin around the eyes, but it will also hydrate. So those little lines and wrinkles that we generally develop, if we've had sleepless nights or if we've been unwell because of some flu or something. So those little lines that we develop around the eyes, that will also be taken care of in this treatment.
So the hydrating facial that Dr. Shefali just spoke about, we're also going to demonstrate you this whole facial on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Let's get into the facial. Are we ready? So this is the second step that she's doing, where she's applying a serum on my face, and it's quite cold and feels very nice and hydrating on the face already. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. It's nice, and I can't wait to see the final result. How Dr. Shefali was telling us that your regular traditional massage that we get in your regular facials, this feels similar to that but with a different feeling, and I think using a machine gives you probably a much better effect. So एक अच्छा relaxing feeling is what I'm getting. It feels like a traditional massage but with a machine. And I think it's giving a very evenly feel throughout the face. Probably the pressure is quite even, unlike what we do with hands. It's nice. It's quite relaxing. So guys, as you know that usually after cleansing हम जब clean up भी करते हैं तो we use a scrub. So अभी जो hydrating facial हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, this step includes very gentle scrubbing that's happening along the serum. वी आर ऑन आर थर्ड स्टेप नाउ, जहाँ पे जो स्क्रबिंग हुई है उसकी वजह से जो टिकलिंग हो रही है उसको थोड़ा सा सेटल डाउन करने के लिए शी इज़ यूजिंग दिस मसाजिंग मशीन. इट्स वेरी यूनिक. सो यू नो एकदम बिल्कुल मसाज जैसे हम हाथ से करते हैं वैसी ही फीलिंग आ रही है, बट द ओनली डिफरेंस इज़ दैट इट्स डन विद अ मशीन. And I have to say that it is quite relaxing and it's just what I needed after a hectic week. So guys, you know that facials are also done with an intent to give a lift to your face. The next step that she's doing on my face is that she's applying a face lifting serum, and after this she'll be using a machine to just give a lift to my face. And I think this is a step that's very, very important, especially post 30s. I'm 35 right now, and I think if you start taking care of your face at the right age, it takes you a long way in staying young and looking young. So in this step, I'm getting this a little pricky wala feeling, but it's very, very light and subtle. ज़्यादा prick नहीं हो रहा है, but it's giving a slight pricky kind of a feeling. Guys, one of the benefits of getting a treatment with this machine especially is that the fine lines that you get when you smile, this machine helps you reduce those fine lines also. So the next step that she's doing is that she's applying a brightening serum on my face that's going to give me that perfect glow that we are looking out for. So guys, as you know, हमने एक्सफोलिएट की है स्किन. अब स्किन के पोर्स जो हैं वो ओपन हो चुके हैं, एंड जो ब्राइटनिंग सिरम अभी अप्लाई किया है उसने, वो दैट शुड गो इन डीपली into the skin, which is why she's using this machine which will help the serum to penetrate completely into the skin. So guys, we've arrived at our last and final step of the hydrating facial. So she is going to apply a glowing sheet mask on my face, and she's going to keep this for 20 minutes. And after that, I'm going to show you my before and after look. 20 minutes are over, and now they're going to remove the sheet mask. So guys, I'm just done with my facial, and honestly I don't even feel like talking right now because I'm so relaxed and rejuvenated, and so is my skin. I don't need to tell you more about it. You can already see the nice glow on my face. My skin can't thank me enough for this hydrating facial, and I can't thank Dr. Trasi enough for giving me this beautiful facial. Thank you.